So we have 23,000 engineers. Describe for me the composition. What engineering disciplines are those 23,000 engineers in? You'd most mechanical, electrical, and chemical. The fact is, of our 23,000 engineers, almost half are developing software. It's not mechanical, electrical, or chemical. It's developing what's going to interact in those three disciplines. So for us, about 11,500 engineers are already developing software. That's going to become a bigger and bigger component of what we do, and it's going to transform the century. The reason it's going to transform the century is we may be impressed with computing power today, but if you assume that computing power continues to double every 2 years the way it has in the past, some people would say it won't. I don't agree with them. They sort of think for 20 years and it keeps finding a way. So let's assume it doubles every year. 10 years from now, we will have 32 times the computing power. In 20 years, we will have over 1,000 times the computing power we do today. And you start to think about what that could enable. And quite honestly, none of us can even envision where it's going to go. If you have over 1,000 times the computing power we do today, 20 years from now, you have to imagine all the things that are possible. But they are coming, and it's going to have a big impact on companies like Honeywell and the entire. Think about being in a refinery. All kinds of edge devices, they're still out. I mean, there's all kinds of edge devices, sensing things all the way around. Well, what used to have to happen is kind of go out and record whatever they had learned. You start where you can actually put a little piece of software in each of those meters, and now the guy can walk by with a meter and